In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Pocket Option to Coinbase. Easy guide. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Pocket Option website. Log into your account using your usual credentials, and once you're on the home page, look for the Finance section. Open that, then choose Deposit. This might seem counterintuitive given the title, but this is how you generate the details you'll need to move crypto between your accounts and complete the transfer from your wallet like Coinbase. On the deposit screen, use the search bar to find the coin you want to use. I'll use Bitcoin as the example, but the flow is similar for other supported coins. Select Bitcoin and then enter the amount you want to transfer. You'll see a note on the minimum deposit amount. For example, it may show P291. Make sure your amount meets or exceeds that minimum. And remember that network fees are separate and handled by your wallet. If you have a promo code, click the option to enter it now. If not, simply continue. When you're ready, click continue and pay. Pocket Option will generate a payment page with everything you need to complete the transfer correctly and have it processed automatically. Here's the critical part. Use only the Bitcoin network for this transfer when you're sending BTC. Do not choose alternative networks like BP20 or any other chain. Sending on the wrong network can permanently result in loss of funds, so double check the network before proceeding. On the payment page, you'll see the exact amount to send and the unique Bitcoin address to send it to. You have two ways to complete it from Coinbase. Option 1, copy the BTC address and the exact amount shown. Then in Coinbase, select Send, choose Bitcoin, verify the BTC network, paste the address, and enter the exact amount displayed. Option 2, scan the QR code from the payment page with the Coinbase app, which will automatically fill in the address and may pre-fill the amount for you. Always verify the amount and network before confirming. After you send the transaction from Coinbase, give it time to confirm on the blockchain. The deposit should process automatically once confirmations are received. Avoid resending or changing the amount mid-process, and keep the payment page open until you've confirmed the transfer was submitted. That's it. By following the on-screen details carefully, using only the Bitcoin network, and matching the exact amount, your transfer will complete smoothly and securely.